Hello, good afternoon. And today is our fishing day.
Everybody's taken space, yeah. Where will
So
they
today
take space?
guys, we're going for fishing just for fun. Actually today, my husband has gone to work.
And I was sleeping.
Yes.
And I just woke up.
Actually today morning, my husband has gone to work and he's supposed to be back in the evening. But then he just called me around 2 o'clock in the afternoon and he's telling me let's go for fishing because he's bored. So now we are here now.
Play with me. That
Hi.
wouldn't be bad.
So now we're going for fishing. As you can see from outside, there are a bunch of people. Wait, I'll show you.
And everyone took our space.
So this is the place for fishing. As you can see, there are people are fishing as well. It's full packed with people. So these are the people gone for fishing, and that side also. We are still actually inside the car because my Ronald is looking for space. So this is the T guy. This person, the driver, this motorbike driver, excuse me, it's a motorbike. He's a motorbike guy. He's actually selling snacks like coffee and biscuits and tea. So here in Dubai, you cannot just fish everywhere. So there is a designated area that you are allowed to fish. So don't fish to the place where which is not designated for fishing. Otherwise, you will get a fine. So now we are now actually under the bridge next to IKEA. Oh my God, so sandstorm. Hey, sandstorm. Now we go fishing. I think it's okay only not to wear mask because we are outside.
How's that? What is that, a brick?
It's open.
What is that, brick?
So if you can see guys, so many people are fishing.
I really don't want to go.
It's with Bella. Oh, you can use this. It's a low tide. We are under the bridge.
I really don't want to fall in this pool.
And this is the IKEA. IKEA.
Hey, yo, you found the puffer.
This is all the people are fishing also.
I found the puffer fish.
Hold it up. Don't touch it down. Huh? Don't touch it down. Pick it up.
I found the like a beach, but like, oh my God.
Bella!
Olia!
Olia!
Olia! If you don't know what Olia means, that means it's high. It's high in
This is-
Japanese.
In Japanese! What's it?
Hello! Hello! Pausing in 3, 2, 1. Are you serious? Yeah. That thing got stuck. That thing got stuck. That does. Dada's hook got stuck.
Guys, can you see those small fishes? Oh my god, they're too small. See, small fish. Lots of them. They are in a big group. Fish.
Dada said push you in the water.
This person I drowned it, Bella. You want me to drown?
Give it. Toss! Toss! Toss!
Hello guys, we're still here in the fishing area and we've been fishing for let's say 3 hours,
This is a new one though.
and even one fish we didn't catch anything. Even one fish we didn't catch. I think the fish were hiding today.
1 minute.
And we are now inside the car and
I create my
Ronald
own language, dude.
and Ronald is Ronald is outside fishing and we're inside the car because it's the weather it's cold and we didn't bring our jackets. Isabella has it, but it's still cold. So we're hiding in the car, and then Ronald isn't fishing there outside. So what's that?
Isabella.
Anyway, anytime soon we have to go home now because Ronald has a work and Isabella has a school tomorrow. So you have to go home, take a shower, and have dinner and sleep.
Wait.
So, and this is Ronald. This is Ronald. This is him fishing. And this is the plastic bag where the shrimp is.
Where is Ronald?
That's there. But
Ronald.
Dada. But this is
Ronald
Ronald.
Furtado.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going out.
It's cold.
It's I know, but I come back. I know I'll come back.
Okay. It's really shivering outside, so there's some people fishing there. It's nice inside the car, it's just warm. And that's Isabella. She went out. There they are. Guys, we are still here. It's already dark.
Dada, come on already. It's been like 100 hours.
Ronald still wants to fish, and then he did not catch anything. So now we will go home by 7 o'clock because
But then I don't have time to
I'm
play
getting
my
hungry
games.
also. Huh?
But I don't have time to play
You
my
you still have
games.
time to play games.
But 2 hours, I want 100 hours.
Crazy or what?
I want 100 hours.
Look at this one.
I want 100 hours.
So guys, that's all for today, and this is not really an interesting vlog.
Wait, do you stop speaking?
And
Wait. Shh. Hey, yo, Dad, come on! It's reality.
and we'll see you to our next one, guys. Bye. Yes. We'll see you to our next one. Bye. So guys, that's all for today. I know this vlog is not really interesting, but we just want to
Wait, can you just...
I just want to share with you what we do in the weekend.
Can you please be quiet?
So
I'll end it.
until
I'll
then,
end it for
Okay.
Hey, yo, when you gonna come? Come on! You've been fishing like for 100 hours. Bye-bye! See you next time!
See you next time!
Bye!